This is the Excel user interface or the Excel screen. Major part of the Excel screen is occupied by cells and ribbon. The ribbon displays tabs, so these are tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, Data, and Review. Home tab is the default tab. Now each of the tab has groups. So you have here, the group is Clipboard. Font alignment. Inside the group you have what we call as the command. Here paste is the command, cut is the command. This is called as the title bar and it displays the workbook name. This is the quick access toolbar. It has commands which we use frequently, like undo, redo, save, paste special. This is the vertical scroll bar and this is the horizontal scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar allows you to move vertically, whereas horizontal scroll bar will allow you to move horizontally. Like as an example, you can move to the right, you can move down or you can move up.